We're at the Trout Brook Nature Sanctuary. It's my first time here, so I don't know what's all out here to find. I have found so far that this seems to be the start of the Gateway State Trail. So I'll probably come down here whenever I want to do that video and do the Gateway State Trail. Well, I'm headed this way. It's a bunny bench. Well, I found another sitting spot. At one point it had some plaques, but they're not there no more. I've also noticed that we have paved and gravel paths out here. Unique little bridge. I think this is supposed to say something. EXN. I don't know what that is. A J? No, that's a R. That's buried. I thought it crossed, but it didn't. So ERNJ, I don't know. Maybe there's more letters that we can't see. Those are definitely letters, but what it's supposed to be, I don't know. Maybe I should have stayed on the paved path. There's a sign over there. That's where the paved path is. But there's a creek right here, and then there's a pond there. So I can't just cut across to get there. I don't know if this path's ever going to take me back to the paved path. Guess I'll just have to find out. Got some benches in the shade by the creek. Still haven't got a way back across. Here we go, back to the other side. At least I think. We got us a bridge. A little sturdier than the last one. Not that you need much of a bridge. Oh, now we got multiple gravel options. Let's see what this little plaque over here is. Oh, not here. They got rid of this one too. I don't know if that's a prairie dog bench or a groundhog bench or a gopher bench. The railway used to come through here, but I don't know more. Well, I made it to the sign I seen. It's the first sign I seen with the name of the park on it. This is the Jank Street entrance. And this side just tells you it's the exit. You want to leave. And there's the pond that I was saying was in my way. That's the reason that you can't just cut across. But I'm going to end this one here and just call it the south end of the park and get back to where I was, and I'll shoot another video for the north end. Until then.